Topographical maps or the survey sheets. These survey maps portrays physical or natural features such as type of land, lakes, ponds, vegetation, etc. And the man-made features like roads, rural and urban settlements, canals, tanks, etc. These maps are the miniature form of the area as it actually exists during the survey. These are made by Survey of India Department. Now, a map, a sketch becomes a map only when it has a scale. Survey of India map, they have been surveyed on and depicted on a flat piece of paper with a scale. Now, what is a scale? The proposition which exists between the map and the actual surface of the earth is called scale. On the survey sheet, scale is shown by three ways. Number one, it is the representative fraction, that is 1:50,000. This shows distance on map upon distance of ground. 1 unit of the map represents 50,000 units on the ground. RF is the universal scale. Number two, the scale is shown by a simple statement 2 centimeters to 1 kilometer. Number three, the linear scale drawn on the survey sheet. To read the survey maps, we need to have reference lines. And these reference lines on the survey map, they are shown with red color. We have vertical lines as well as the horizontal lines which are drawn on the survey sheet with red color. They help us in locating places exactly. Now, it is important for us to know the directions first. Survey sheet is divided into 4 quarters. Before that, the northern half of the sheet, the above portion of the sheet is the northern part, and the portion below is the southern part of the sheet. To the right, it is the eastern part, and towards the left, it is the western part. North, south, east, west. Now, this has been divided into 8 cardinal points. Survey sheet, it is from north to east. The area between the north to east is known as the northeast quarter of the sheet. This is the northeast quarter of the sheet. And the area below towards the right is the southeast quarter of the sheet. To the north westwards, it is the northwest direction, and this is the northwest quarter of the sheet. And below the northwest quarter is the southwest quarter of the sheet. This is the southwest quarter of the sheet. Survey sheet, we start reading from the southwest corner of the sheet. This is the southwest corner of the sheet. We can see there are vertical lines as well as the horizontal lines, and these lines, they are numbered with 2 digits, the vertical lines as well as the horizontal lines. 2 digits they are numbered with. Vertical lines, as they move towards the east from the point of origin, so they are known as eastings. Whereas the horizontal lines, they move towards the north from the point of origin. So they are known as northings. With the help of eastings and northings, we can locate places on the survey sheet. For examples, if we have to find the dense jungle, so what we will do, eastings, they are always quoted first. So eastings, this is 15 easting. First we will take 1, 5. And then the northings, it lies in this square, 3, 1. So 1, 5, 3, 1, it becomes the 4-figure grid reference of dense jungle. So if we know this grid reference, we can reach this place. 1, 5, 3, 1. Similarly, a triangle and 1, 7, 9. Eastings are to be quoted first. So 1, 8, easting, and then 3, 4. This is the 4-figure grid reference for this triangulated height 1, 7, 9. Another height given here, a dot in 1, 9, 2. First, the eastings lies in 1, 9 and the northings 3, 6. 1, 9, 3, 6 is the 4-figure grid reference for this particular place. Now, we have reached this grid. We have reached near to this point. We have reached almost in the 1 kilometer radius of this point. But we have not reached the exact place. So to reach the exact location, for that purpose, we find out the 6-figure grid reference. To find the 6-figure grid reference, we subdivide this grid. This particular grid, we will subdivide into 10 divisions. This is 2 centimeter grid, square grid. So 10 subdivisions will be of 2 millimeter each along the eastings and along the northings both. So now, for example, if we have to find out the 4-figure grid reference of this dot where 25R is mentioned. So first we will quote the easting 1, 8. Right? And then the subdivision along the easting. Remember, we quote the eastings first always. So, the grid reference for this 1, 8 is the easting we have seen. And then to the right, we will see the subdivisions. To the right, it reaches till 5, 6, 7, 8. It is between 8 and 9. So we will take it as 4. So the eastings are 1, 8 and the third place is 4. Whereas the northings, it is located in 3, 0 and 3, 0, keeping the scale there. On 3, 0, we move northwards. And this points towards the north. It reaches till 13 millimeters. So it comes to 7. 16, on 12 it is 6, and then 0.5 we take the next number, so it becomes 307. So the Eastings, the 6-figure grid reference of 25R will be 18. The third, the subdivision will be 4. 184 is the Eastings, and 30 Northing's third subdivision is 7. So 184307 is the 6-figure grid reference for this location. After this, let's see this triangulated height 179. What is the 6-figure grid reference for this triangulated height 179? Now the eastings first we see. The easting is 18, right? 18, and then we move towards the east. What is coming here is, it is 6, right? So it will be taken, we will take the midpoint of the triangle, and it is coming as 6 mm, that is around, that will be 3. 183, and the northings we'll see here. 3, 4 is the northing. Then we move upwards to the northings and put the scale to the north, and this comes to 1 centimeter. Midpoint is touching 1 centimeter, so it will be 5. 183, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6-figure grid reference. 18, easting third place is 3, northings 3, 4, and the third place is 5. 6-figure grid reference for triangulated height, and we reach the exact location. After this, next, let's find out the 6-figure grid reference of this place. Now, this is a settlement, and we have to find out the 6-figure grid reference of this settlement. This is a large area. We will take the midpoint of the settlement. This is the midpoint of the settlement. So first we take the eastings. Now eastings here, what we see is easting, it is 20, and then the third figure, midpoint third figure, it is coming on the red line on the easting 20 only. So what we will take it here as 0. Third place will be 0. 2, 0, 0. And then the northings. Northings, it is 2, northings will be 3, 2, and then it is coming at 5. 3, 2 to the north, it is coming at 1 centimeter. So this will be 5. So 3, 2, 5. 6-figure grid reference will be 200325. If the third place comes on the easting or on the northing, then the third place will always be 0. This is how we find the 6-figure grid reference. That's all for the day. I hope you have understood about the 6-figure grid reference. Thank you.